Hey folks, Sheila here from Design Files. I wanted to put together a quick video because we have a long overdue organizational upgrade that we recently added to Design Files, and I really think you're going to love it. So with this organizational upgrade, what we really wanted to do is just provide you with one location where you're going to be able to access all the templated content within Design Files, whether it's a Design Files created template or whether it's your own templates that you've created from scratch. Now, the reason we wanted to do this is because yes, there has been templated content available within Design Files, but it's kind of been all over the place, right? It's not in one organized place where you can manage it. So if you wanted to deal with questionnaire templates, you had to go into account settings. And if you wanted to deal with project contract templates, you had to click into a project and go to the contract feature and deal with it here. So it worked, but it was by no means streamlined. So what we want to do is give you one location where you can access it all. And we've done that by including all of the templated content into the new template hub here. If you go into the template hub, you're going to see that it's now broken down into DF templates and my templates. So the Design Files templates, these are all of the free templates that we provide to all of our members. We have design presentation templates and project proposal templates. You can click into any of them to preview them and see what's included. And then you'll see that there is a button to go ahead and use that and add it to any project that you want to add it to. Then you can make any changes that you want to this, fully brand it to your own business, and then continue to use that for future projects. We also have questionnaire templates. So if you didn't know, there are 13 questionnaire templates available to you within Design Files. We have room-specific templates, we've got service-specific templates, and we also have stage-specific templates, like the initial discovery or the project completion. Again, all of these are fully available to you, and you can either add them to your templates where you can then further customize them, or you could just go ahead and use it. And if you click the use button, you'll be able to select the project that you want to add it to and immediately add it to that project. There's also contract templates available to you. So if you don't have a contract in place, check out the ones that we've got here. You can click on any of them to preview it and see what's included. And then again, you can add it to your templates if you want to make further changes to it and then fully customize it so it fits your needs. Or you could just go ahead and use it in a particular project. And then again, you'd select the project that you want to use it for. So definitely check out all the templates that are available to you within the DF templates, but also within the template hub, you're going to see that we've got this new section that is my templates. Now this is where we're going to consolidate all of those templates that you've already created within your account. So if you have created questionnaire templates from scratch or contract templates from scratch, or even if you started with a Design Files template and customized it, those would all exist within your My Templates section. And you can see here that there's two different tabs for within your My Templates for questionnaires and for contracts. And very shortly, we're also going to bring in an additional tab for all of your design board, kind of client presentation or project proposal templates as well. So you'll have everything all in one place. Now, what I really love about this is that it makes it that much easier for you to spin up a project within Design Files, because you could just go ahead and create a brand new project within Design Files. And then once you've created it, you can pop into the templates hub, you can go to My Templates, and then you can start browsing through your content to say, okay, this is the contract that I want to use. I'm going to click on that button, find my project, and then go ahead and add it. And then you can pop over to your questionnaires. And let's say that you're going to be dealing with multiple rooms within this project. So maybe you need the bathroom questionnaire, the bedroom one, the dining room. You just click the button to use it. It immediately adds it to, well, you would select the project that you want to add it to. If you haven't created your project yet, you can always just create the new project right here. But it makes it that much quicker and easier for you to just quickly add templated content to your project and have all of this documentation ready to go within the project. And once we have all of your client presentations and project proposals and design board templates here too, you're just going to be able to quickly start adding all of that content into all future projects so that nothing starts from a blank state, but it all starts from a designed process where you have all these templated pieces in place and ready to go. Now, for any of the templated content that is within My Templates, you will see that you can edit it from here. You can use it. You have these additional actions right here where you can delete this particular questionnaire or share the link or print it out. And then you always have the ability to create a new one as well. So all of those actions will happen across all of your content. And again, we're just trying to make sure that you're not having to bounce around to different locations within the platform to deal with your templated content. and instead just have one organized place where you can access it all, you can make changes to any of it, and you can immediately add it to any new projects moving forward. So definitely jump into your Design Files account, check out the new template hub, go ahead and have a look at some of the Design Files templates that are available to you. If you don't have design presentation templates or project proposal templates or questionnaires or contracts and you want to get set up, this is a great place to start. And the more you template out your process, the more efficient you become, and that allows you to take on more client projects because you've increased your capacity. So definitely think through what can be templated within your design business and then get those set up. You'll have it all in your My Templates where you can access it, and it'll make creating and starting projects that much faster for you. If you do have any questions about this, feel free to reach out to us on the live chat. We're always available to help, and thanks so much for watching.